Teds Woodworking 16,000 Free Plans. By Teds Woodworking. Teds Woodworking Review. Welcome to another in-depth and exclusive review, this time exploring the intriguing world of the 16,000 Free Plans, offered by Teds Woodworking. Before we go any further, we would like to ask you to support our channel by leaving a like and subscribing so that we can continue to bring you high-quality content like this. What are Teds Woodworking's 16,000 free plans? The promise of 16,000 free woodworking plans is intriguing, but what exactly does it mean? Teds Woodworking claims to offer a vast collection of woodworking project plans at no additional cost. These plans cover a wide range of projects, from small projects for beginners to more complex challenges for experienced woodworkers. The idea behind free plans is to provide woodworking enthusiasts with a diverse library of projects to explore. Buy Teds Woodworking or stick with the free plans? The fundamental question here is whether you should buy the complete Teds Woodworking or settle for the free plans. Let's analyze the pros and cons. Free plans, zero cost. Obviously, the biggest advantage is that these plans are free, which can be attractive for those on a tight budget. Variety of projects. The free collection offers a wide range of projects, which may be enough to meet the needs of casual or beginner woodworkers. Teds Woodworking Complete, 16,000 plans. The full version offers access to all 16,000 plans, providing an impressive diversity of projects. Detailed instructions. Complete plans are accompanied by detailed instructions, which makes it easier to execute projects successfully. Support and updates. With purchase, you generally receive customer support and access to future updates, which can be invaluable to your woodworking journey. Testimonials from satisfied customers. Here are two customer testimonials sharing their experiences with Teds Woodworking's free, all-in-one plans. Testimonial 1: Mark, Florida. I started with the free plans and loved the variety. However, as my passion for woodworking grew, I chose to purchase the full Teds Woodworking. I now have access to more advanced projects and the detailed instructions help me a lot. Testimonial 2: Emily, California. The free plans were a great starting point for me. They allowed me to practice my woodworking skills without spending any money. When I decided to take my woodworking seriously, I invested in Teds Woodworking Complete and couldn't be happier with the decision. Where to buy the complete Teds Woodworking? If you are inclined to explore the full world of 16,000 plans offered by Teds Woodworking, it is crucial to purchase them only from the product's official website. This ensures that you receive access to authentic plans and avoid purchasing fake or pirated versions. Don't miss the opportunity to enrich your woodworking journey with an incredible library of projects. Click on the link below to access the official website. Get the complete Teds Woodworking now. Reminder: this offer may be for a limited time only. Don't forget to consider the benefits offered by Teds Woodworking's complete plans, including variety, detailed instructions, and customer support. Click the link below the video to start your woodworking journey off on the right foot.